Introducing the CableRack 8-port SFP optical switch with two 10-100-1000 Ethernet ports, perfect for versatile network connections. Easily interconnect up to 8 SFP modules, including SX, LX, and LH fiber types. No configuration needed, simply plug in your fiber and copper connections and power it up. All ports handle traffic seamlessly, whether single mode, multimode, or copper. Optional CableRack SFP modules available for optimal performance. Plug and play simplicity. Upgrade your network's capabilities today. Discover more about how our 8-port SFP optical switch can transform your networking experience. Connect with us now.